Did you know that KFC serves over 2.5 billion pieces of fried chicken worldwide every year? That's enough to feed the entire global population in just 32 days. KFC consumes the second largest amount of chicken globally. Can you guess who's in first place? Don't hesitate to comment your answer below. But it's not just the numbers that will amaze you. It's the secrets behind every crispy golden bite. What's the secret that has kept KFC's recipe alive for nearly a century? What are 5 fascinating facts about KFC across different countries? All of this will be revealed in today's video. Be sure to subscribe, like, and watch until the end to uncover all these secrets with me. The story of KFC begins with a man named Harlan Sanders. Born in 1890, he endured a tough childhood. Losing his father at a young age, Sanders had to learn to cook to support his family. Little did he know that these humble meals would lay the foundation for the legendary KFC brand. At 40, while running a small gas station, Sanders discovered that his home-cooked meals were what kept customers coming back. A light bulb went off in his head. Why not turn fried chicken into a global sensation? As his fried chicken became increasingly popular, Sanders worked tirelessly to perfect a method of cooking chicken using a pressure fryer. This innovation reduced cooking time to under 10 minutes, revolutionizing the food industry forever. Let's kick things off with a fun question before diving into the magical world of KFC's production process. Do you know how many herbs and spices make up KFC's famous secret recipe? I'll give you 4 options to choose from. Drop your guess in the comments below. We'll reveal the answer at the end of the video. Now let's get started. KFC chickens are sourced from farms that meet strict international welfare standards. The chickens enjoy spacious environments, access to clean water, and balanced diets made from grains, without the use of growth hormones or steroids. Chickens are collected using advanced machinery designed to minimize stress, much like how cows are calmed with classical music. At the processing plant, chickens undergo over 50 rigorous checks, from overall health to food safety. After cleaning, the chickens are cut into standard portions. Modern equipment ensures uniform sizes for consistent cooking. Bones are processed separately, ensuring no fragments remain. For parts like the breast, the skin is removed using automated technology to enhance smoothness and quality. This is the step that gives KFC its unmistakable flavor, preserved for over 100 years. At this point, I'm tempted to order some hot KFC to enjoy while watching the rest of this video. Each piece of chicken is dipped in cold water to help the special breading stick better, then coated in KFC's unique blend of flour and spices. This step creates the signature golden crispy coating. This groundbreaking technique, invented by Colonel Sanders himself, revolutionized the food industry. It reduced frying time from 30 minutes to under 10, while preserving the perfect taste and texture of each piece of chicken. Before reaching customers, each piece is carefully inspected for color, coating, and doneness. 5 fun facts about KFC. Did you know KFC once went to space? In 2017, KFC partnered with Worldview Enterprises to send a Zinger chicken sandwich into space as part of a marketing campaign. KFC is a Christmas tradition in Japan. Since the Kentucky for Christmas campaign in 1974, eating KFC during Christmas has become a beloved tradition. People often order buckets a month in advance for the holiday. KFC created a fried chicken-scented perfume. In 2016, KFC Japan launched a perfume resembling the scent of fried chicken to promote their brand. KFC offers a completely vegetarian menu in India. To cater to the Indian market, KFC developed a vegetarian menu featuring items like paneer zinger burgers and veg strips. KFC introduced a burger made entirely of chicken. In New Zealand, KFC launched the Double Down, replacing the traditional bun with 2 fried chicken fillets. Which fact surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. All right, now it's time to reveal the answer to the question from earlier. Okay, now we will reveal the question at the beginning of the video right here. How many herbs and spices make up KFC's iconic secret recipe? The correct answer is 11. This perfectly balanced blend was handwritten by Colonel Sanders himself and is now secured in a vault in Louisville, Kentucky. Fun fact, only 2 people in the world know the full recipe, and they are never allowed to travel on the same flight to protect the secret. This recipe ensures KFC maintains its consistent flavor across more than 24,000 locations worldwide. Thank you for joining me on this journey to uncover the secrets of KFC. If you found this story fascinating, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more exciting videos. See you on our next amazing adventure.